Good morning, traders. How is everybody doing out there? Let's go. Trying on some new DMCA free music today. Hopefully it's better. Hope you guys are doing well. Starting the session down 220 bucks or so. A couple failed shorts. I do like this area for shorts, so we will continue to try to short this. Just waiting for a proper setup. The one setup I took was okay. They were both okay. I was in profit in both of them, but I should have just managed it a little bit better. you guys are doing well. Hope everybody's good. Looks like we got some news coming up. PPI coming up at 8:30. Actually, that was yesterday. Never mind. Yep. Pretty light day on news, so not too much going on. Just trading. Looks like markets are trying to push higher. I do like this area for shorting. Coming into a 4-hour level, untested level here for ES. So I do like this area for the short. I have my failure to gain 1 contract set up there for now, but we will be trying to I'll take any failure in this range between here and here. So just waiting right now, waiting. Just keep moving this 5 minutes, this 5-minute loss up until we see a failure, a decent one. Let's go. How are you guys doing? Everybody doing well? Fucking so many things are going wrong here, man. Like my fucking monitor broke, and then I couldn't get my light to work for like 20 minutes before stream here. And then, I had 2 fucking stops in London. It's really not a good day. It's really kind of a shit day today. Let's try to turn it around. Let's get it turned around, yeah?
I'm not lonely, just playing games inside my mind. Let me do what I have to do. Whatever feels right, there is no excuse. I won't tell you no.
I think all markets push higher, man. But might be a dump first. This is what I'm looking at on ES, right? This 4-hour failure that was never tested. This 4-hour failure that was never tested, so they're just pushing into it again now. They tried to fail it there. This is where I was shorting today, and then I was shorting here because they closed this 4-hour candle shitty, like almost. They still closed above, but almost below. So I was like, good enough for a short. Because the opportunity is so great to the downside, right? Like if this starts falling apart, I don't think this will hold. I believe they'll come and test the bottom of this, right? So that's kind of the play. First big target here, and then runner to here. But honestly, with prop, I'll probably be out everything here. So failure to gain is right here on the 4-hour. Robust. UNH, I did not. Let's have a look at it. This? Ooh. Oof. Where did it stop? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, makes sense. Craftsman, what's up, brother? That makes sense. This is a good place to long it, dude. Really. You know, it came all the way down to the untested weekly. This is a really good place to long it. Even though it's bounced a bit, this is still a decent place for long-term play. Back up to here. It's a really good play. I might even sell some Tesla and just get into this. It's a really good one. It's a really good one, Rubus. I knew you weren't just a name. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Rubus. What a dump. Wow. How much is this back up? Like even just from here? Yeah, this is like a 50, going to be a 50%. It's going to be a 40% move at least. %35% at the very least, I would think. From right where it is now. Not even at the bottom. Rubus. Oh, he rubs it, man. He rubs the stocks. He gets in there. He gets in there and he does it. Let's get paid, baby. Let's get paid, baby. Let's try to have a better New York session anyway. Just fucking bit the dick on fucking London. Really. I streamed for a bit and then I just stopped streaming and I was like, I'm gonna take some trades anyway. And show you guys what I did in London. I mean, it wasn't the stupidest shit, right? Pushing up into like the weekly. This should fail. Like we should get a little bit of a pullback next week, if not starting today. This 4 hour is untested, right? So this is a big untested four here. It's the only one besides this up here. It's like basically the highs. So I just think that we're going to see a little bit of a rejection here. So I was looking at the 5 minute. This was the first attempt right here. So it did dump. I did take a PT on the sweep of this. So I did take a PT, but then I got stopped out on the rest. A small stop, didn't really matter. Then this dump happened. So this was the 4 hour close and it closed almost where it needed to, you know what I mean? It was really close to where it closed. Like this is what it needed to close below. So I took another one right here. Wasn't the best. That second one really wasn't the best at all. Looking back on it now. Gold filled the 1 hour gap. Let's have a look. Gold. 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 Yeah. Let's have a look at this. I would have looked more on this on the 15-minute, but this is a Riyadh play, right? Like the initial was here already, but they could hold this, maybe, potential. Would have liked to see them hold up here, but it's okay. It's good that they're back above it now. I would have liked to see them hold this. You really don't want to see them much below that anymore. 4 hour gained. Yeah. I mean, the 4 hour didn't gain on this side. They failed. Right. Your chart's different. Well, you're not looking at the proper chart. This is the gold chart. This is the gold chart that you should use, the futures one. They gained here. This would have been a play. An attempt anyway. You would have got a PT out of it. Gold spot. What's the gold spot? Is that XAU? Is that it? This? They still didn't gain the 4 hour. Yeah, XAU USD. That's what I have. XAU USD. Don't know what you're looking at, brother. Oanda. Well, I've looked at two charts now, and they both not. You know, let's just look at another one. You know what I mean? Just to be. Even this didn't gain, dude. The Oanda chart. That's not a gain. Oh, this down here. It's different. Why is the Oanda chart different than every other chart? Yeah, you know, I'd be a little shifty with that. Every other chart is not like that. You know, just the Oanda one. So I'd be a little, I'd be a little fishy about that. You know, we checked every chart. Just the Oanda one's not. But really, you should chart on GC, you know, GC1. The one that the big boys use, right? So this is where all the money is. All right, man. Here we go. 8:30. Some news hitting the market. I don't know if anything big. Yeah, there's a few pieces of news hitting right now. Anything special happening? Still looking for this failure. I will take this 5-minute failure here for the third attempt at this short. Pretty big dump. Pretty good reaction to the news. Yeah, you should never use the CFD for charting because there's other factors in the CFD, right? spreads and stuff, you know, it's not the best for charting. But the rule of thumb is you want to chart on the chart that has the most volume. So where's all the money? What instrument are they trading? And that's what you want to chart on. Or at least something that's equal to or really close to the main chart. You know what I mean? Like for Bitcoin, it doesn't really matter too much if you chart on you know, Binance, or you chart on like Coinbase, like, because they both have tons of volume, right? So it doesn't really matter. Correct. Gold chart is GC1. All right, are we gonna get a fucking failure here? We might. Johnny, I'm not going to type in chat, and the first thing you did is come in and ask for fucking money, man. Like, what are you doing, dude? I'm just gonna ban you, you know? I don't care.
Find me where the silence hides, 'cause I need a minute. I see now how it feels to be blind. Now I'm listening. So find me where the silence hides, 'cause I need distance.
Get a clue, dude.
I can hear you now.
You know what I mean? Who just comes into a stream and then just the first thing they do is beg for money and then put their Solana wallet? Come on, man. You know? Get out of here. Get out of here, dude. Well, it's just about that time, boys. Are they gonna dump this, or are they just gonna hold this stupid 5? I hate taking long. Like, I can't take a long in this area. What was that one that you said, Robus? Again, I need to mark it so I can look at it later. UNH. Dude, that's huge. Let me send this to my buddy. Alright. Looks like we might have a failure coming in here, boys. We might have a fucking failure. I can't believe it. An actual failure. This $150 shot. Trying to fail to 15 too. think I'm just gonna short one right now before this candle's finished. Then I'll put in the orders for the rest. I shouldn't do that, man. I should really just do it properly. I can afford 4. $150 for 4. Shorts are looking good, boys. Me anyway. Shorts are looking okay. Looks like they're failing the 15-minute up here too. See if we can get an entry. $160 to there. Gonna short one right now. Or more. If I can get the rest, I don't know. I think it's gonna give us a little trouble getting them. At least I got one. Just one, man? Really? This could be a banger short, boys. Really. I'm pushing it. All right, in 5. $180 try. The legit setup, man. Nice 5-minute failure. At a fucking 4-hour untested level. We're in the zone, man, we're in the zone for shorts. First PT is gonna be there and there. And then down here for 3. So those are gonna be the PTs. There, and then down here. Those are the first 3. And then the next one's gonna be like a sweep of the 4 down here, and then down here. So. Or at the 4 anyway. 4, 5. And even move this one up a bit just to front run it. All right, man. Let's fucking get it. Let's get it, boys. Get back what we lost here today. Take this other one away for now. It's a legitimately good setup, man. It's a good setup to fucking short, man. Even lost the 15. Like it's gonna lose the 15 right here. Let's try to get some PTs, man. The third time I'm trying to short this fucking market. I will short it again if this fails. I just don't like it right at the high, you know? Just like one or two ticks above, I always do. Never do it right at it. A little, what's an extra $10, you know? Just to make sure. See. Probably have to wait for the open for any action to happen, but might happen pre-market. Dump it, man. Dump it, you cocksuckers. Oh yeah.
Never had a real friend in his life. Community has gone far out of his sights. He zeroed in on the moon and the neon night in his own ship. He said, now I feel that I cannot remain. Things get easier against the grain.
Just dump it one time for daddy. You know you wanna. You had your run already. You already run up a lot. You're in a 4-hour zone. You're in a 4-hour zone to dump it. This is a higher time frame dump level. Let's dump it.
This first PT is too close too.
I should just take both of them here.
He said, once I feared how I could not remain, but it got easier against the grain. But it got easier against the grain. Efficient to be chased. He follows it closely and the space. He stole a glance at his home as he shot away beyond orbit. He said, once I feared how I could not remain, but it got easier against the grain.
Look at this over here, man. Best I can do. Best I can do, man. Without this giant monitor that I used to have, now it's all fucked. I like to have the chat at least so I can read it. Okay, man, let's just have a nice dump on this fucking thing. Like, enough is enough. Dump it. Party's in. You know? The jury's in. Enough. Nice 15-minute failure with the gap. Nice 5-minute failure. Add a 4-hour fucking area of fucking interest. Let's go. Dump this shit. Dump it. Good. A little liquidity grab here. Probably see a little bit of a reversal, but let's see. Probably go back up and test that gap. Just dump it, man. Be better if you just dump it. People already had their fill, man. Time to dump. This would have been my first PT, but it's too close, man. Let's wipe out this top range. Let's do it. Let's do it, boys. Enough is enough. The party's over, man. Let's dump it. Go. You know, people heard, man. People heard through the grapevine already. Everybody's selling. Nobody's holding anymore. Quickly, get out. Get out while you can, man. Everyone get out while you can. It was quite the run. I'm so fucking back. What's up, Mayor? How are you? I don't know. I can check. One sec. Sorry. Let me just find my mouse. Where'd it go? Did we? Can we have another problem for the stream, or where like my mouse stops working? Oh, fuck this, man. Okay. Just had to unplug it for a second. It's all right. It's okay. Keep that one on my radar for later. XAS USD. Silver. What's up with silver? I don't know. Let's have a look. I haven't even looked at silver in a long time. Lost the weekly. Failure to gain this. So more down, I think. Right now this trend is playing out and they're failing, right? So see what happens down here. See what happens down here, yeah. Important they hold this if they want to continue upwards. If they lose that, it's probably new lows lower than this. So it's important they hold that on the weekly level. The daily, coming into a daily resistance spot, right? So this daily move that made this high. That's why they're rejecting this. Now, not the biggest rejection on the inside, or not the biggest failure, but it's a failure nonetheless, right? So they did fail this here. They need to hold that. They're trying to hold it, but it's not looking good, right? Like they're you know, they've tested like how many times now, right? So if they fail that opens up down here, right? And like I said, it's just important that they hold something, right? Like the weekly. So it's important that they hold this. If they want to continue the uptrend, it's important they hold this. So they can fail it to there, but if they don't hold that, then it's, you know, it's going to be problems. I think I'm going to push these first two PTs on ES. Let's do it. All right. Market buy. Boom. Get these out of here. Let's go, boys. Not too bad. We got a PT. Let's go. Yeah, SD, I remember you for sure. How have you been? Everything good? $112. You like watching on the YouTube, yeah? Really, this, if the 4 hour closes down here, man, it's no, this is looking like they're gonna test this swing down here.
Got me saying what's in my head, filling my mind with these images. And it's all that you look at me, makes me feel like I can breathe. It ain't right, 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 it ain't right, 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 it ain't right. Oh no, it ain't right, 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 it ain't right, 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 it ain't right. Baby, let's go all the way.
I should have left my PT. They would have hit it anyway. Let's dump it, boys. Let's go. Dump this shit. Dump this shit, man. Still down about 180 bucks on the session. So just about break even right now. Might get a chance to re-add actually. If they come back up and test this proper. They didn't really test it on the way down. They did come back up here. I could sell it. All right. Got the re-ads in, boys. Let's see. See if they do it. Market open in 30 minutes. Could it be a dump Friday, or is it going to be a fuck you Friday and blast it? What's going to happen, man? See a little bit of a bounce back here because they just took liquidity, right? So expecting a pullback. This is still shorting opportunity in my mind, man. Okay. I'm just going to go for a quick cigarette while this market cooks a bit. Leave you guys with the tunes, and I'll be right back. All right, boys, we back. We back. How we looking? Yeah, a little bit of a pump off of that, right? Kind of expected, right? I'm also expecting this to fail down to here. This might hold, actually. We'll see. But look at the 4 hour. It's going to really depend a lot on the 4 hour close here, right? So if the 4 hour closes below this 4 hour, looking pretty shit. We shall see. They might push up one more time. You never know. Really, I'm expecting this like to fall apart, kind of, you know. Problem with trading these props is like, yeah, I'm gonna have to trail my stop, right? Because you can't give back too much. So I'll probably end up getting stopped out with a trailing stop. Even if it does like dump, like if it dumps into this area, I'm sure I'll get stopped out in a trailing stop because there'll be a bounce here. I'm sure if it goes down to this area, I'll end up getting stopped out anyway. We shall see. Market open in 15 minutes about. A really good trade, man. All right, failing on the tick again. Failing on the tick again. Uh-oh. Failing on the tick again. Failing the 5 minute. Trying to hold in there. Trying to hold it in. Trying to hold it in. Will they? Uh-oh. not looking too promising. Oh, they did it. They held. Trying to gain to 5 now. See if they do it. Let's just see if they do it or not. See if they do it. Got my be right back fucking thing on. All right. Getting close to Riyadh territory. Decent spot right now on NQ. Oh yeah, let's just dump it, man, for everyone. Let's dump it, man. You know? Let's have a nice open and then pump it and then dump it. A nice little pump and dump for the open. You're coming up on the liquidity at the 5 minute. Let's see if they can gain this. If they're going to gain this 5, it's not going to be the best. But we'll see. Basically back to break even now. You know how she goes with trading. Easy come, easy go. 1 second you're blasting, having a great time. The other second, it's like, what the fuck am I doing? I should have took PTs. Could be one more push up too, like the 4 hour failure to gain is way up here, so could be. It's really this whole area is okay for shorts, in my mind anyway. All right. Failing on the tick again. Failing here. Failing here on the tick. Took the liquidity above the 5, so bigger liquidity is up here, so we'll see if they test this proper. It might not even. Pretty decent reaction off that. Just liquidity grab. Could not gain the 5. Not yet, anyway. Dump it, boys. Let's just dump it, man. You know? We've been so fucking back for a week. Let's dump it. Big chart looks like it's going down, but we'll see. This basically tested the bottom of the 15 too, so like that's the proper test at this point. See if they test the top of it. Key like in the spot right now for a short. No. Where you want to see them fail it. Market open in 7 minutes. No, I hate when they're at a perfect spot for failure right before market open. Usually they blast it, you know. A little bit more news coming at 10. I don't think it's anything important though, but there is a little bit of news coming at 10. Really should be shorting MQ right here too. Dump it. Dump it. Pre-market dump. Oh, yeah. Dump it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Watch out. Look out, boys. They need to hold here or it's going to be big problems. Look out, boys. Really, they need to hold right here or it's going to be big problems. Too bad I didn't get a re-add. Dump it. Let's dump it one time for the crew, man. Rub us. Let's go. Let's fucking party, man. Dump it. Fucking dump this shit. I think I'm taking away my re-ads though. Close that. Get this stop back up to here. 112, yeah? Okay. Uh-oh. I called that NQ short like fucking to the tits, man. I should have took it. Market open 3 minutes. It doesn't look like they're holding this, you know? Quite the pump for the open. Quite the pump. Don't like to see that. NQ's gaining. God damn it. I don't like how NQ gained. I think I'm going to close this position. I'm going to flatten this here. I'm gonna flatten it. I don't like how NQ gained there. I wanted NQ to fail. I think they want to push it higher, man. If they end up dumping it now, I'll be kind of pissed because I flattened the position. But I really don't like this move NQ did. You know, I wanted to see NQ fail this level. I didn't want to see them push to gain, right? Ugh, they're dumping it, man. They're dumping it, dude. Fucking wild, man. Here's the open. They're dumping it. They're gonna dump it. Unbelievable. Oh, I should have kept it, man. What was I doing, man? I just flattened it just because NQ gained. This would have been my PT here. I hate you. I hate you, man. I hate you. I'm just negative 140 bucks in the day. Could have been break even. Oh, this would have been a good trade, dude. That's too bad. I really don't like how NQ, you see how NQ pushed this and wiped it out? I don't like how they did that, man. I thought that's not good. You know? See what happens down here for NQ. This would have been my PT for sure. Kind of important spot here for NQ. It's over, we're back. Really, I gotta just leave my fucking trades alone, man. Just leave it alone. Ever trade the Russell? You know, I do sometimes if I see some opportunity, but I mainly trade ES on the micros, mainly. But when I do see an opportunity, like a really easy one, then I'll take it on Russell. Like Russell has this right here. This isn't bad, but not the greatest, really. It's inside, right? You know, Mike likes to trade the Russell all the time, and Nancy. I don't know. I like to have my shit just spread out a little bit more, right? So I trade the minis, or I trade the micros, and I trade ES. NQ is just a little too wild for me. So what do we think now? NQ holds here. This is starting to look like it might just turn it around. ES doesn't look very good though. I mean, this is a spot, right? Like this is untested here. They hold it. Can't believe I closed that trade, man. What the fuck was I doing? That's the worst. Really bad. Real bad, man, really. Just got spooked out right at the last second. What the fuck? Do better than that. Gotta do better than that, Jay. Take a quick long here. Really shit entry. This was just supposed to be a scalp. Really terrible entry. Yeah. Pretty shit day so far, man. $180 in the negative. I do like how NQ held this. For higher. It's kind of an important spot to hold. If they close the 15 there, it might be a pretty good spot. think that's going to be it for trading for me for today, though. I fucked up the fucking short that I tried to get all day. I tried since London, and then I did a shitty scalp. Terrible trading from me today, really. I'm honestly pretty happy I only lost 180 bucks. You know what I mean? Because it's really bad. It's terrible, the trading that I did today. Not good at all. So glad to get out only losing 180 bucks. Bought here again for NQ. Wonder if this 4 hour will hold. It might, you know. Maybe I'll take two here. 112 bucks. Let's try it, man. Fuck it. $115 try. We're just shooting for new highs here at this point. If that works. NQ's at the spot. Really just look at NQ here too. A bit late now. Kind of expensive. The NQ, like for the trades that I want to take, that I like to take, and when I try to trade NQ, it's like, you know, the stops are huge. They're like $70 for one contract. We'll see. This 4 hour might hold, right? They did close the 4. It was a shitty close, but they did close the 4 at a higher than this. So they did close the swing higher. So technically, this should hold. NQ closing the 15-minute up here is pretty good too, right? They're closing the 15-minute above this, so that's pretty good for the bulls. Closed right at the level where they need to, so it's pretty bullish, kind of bullish, a little bit bullish. Worth a fucking try anyway, yeah. Try it out. So if we gain here this 5, if we gain this 5, I'll be moving the stop up to here. This 5 minute on the ES if we gain it. See what they do. If they gain that, stop can be moved up basically into profit. I have to trail this. NQ kind of looking strong though. Where they closed that, that's pretty strong. You want to see them reject that, not close above it. If they're gonna take it down, if they're gonna go down, right? For NQ, you know, you really want to see them reject this if they're gonna continue it down. If they're not, then close above. Looks like higher. Who knows? This shit changes every fucking 5 minutes, basically. We're back. We're so back. Buying. Looks like a bit of buying. Will they gain the 5? Will they gain the 5? That's the question here, guys. No, I have the stream deck and I push the buttons and nothing happens. It's true, man. It's true. NQ, you can already say we're so fucking back because they held the move. Then they closed above, so you can like almost say that we're so fucking back. But if ES gains the 5, we're so fucking back, man. Uh-oh. In. Hanging in. NQ just needs a nice strong close up here and fuck, we're gonna be back. Pretty sure we're back already. Still a little bitter, man. I should have hit like almost all, not almost all, but 3 of 5 PTs. Should have done way better than I did today. Let's see if we can at least break even on the day. Pump it, man. Let's gain it. Gaining it, man. We're so fucking back. We're so back, man. Maybe not. We might not be. Hold the line, guys. Hold the line, folks. We might not be fucking back. The jury's out right right now on if we're back or not. Let you know in 3 minutes and 56 seconds. We're either going to be so fucking back or the jury's going to be out on if we're back or not. One of the two is going to be it. Looks like they're gaining. Really take half this off right now and then just leave the rest for runner. I always say that and then it dumps, you know what I mean? Like I'm the worst for it. Really just leave this, man. Like this is looking more and more like just a 4-hour continuation, right? So I don't know, I think I might just leave it. I always say that all the time, but this time I mean it. I'm just leaving it. I think there's a chance that we're back. Slight possibility of us being back, guys. Nah. False alarm, guys. False alarm. We're not back. We did gain the 5 though. Wick gained it with the wick. We gained it with a wick. If NQ closes the 5 minute or in 5 minutes, if they close the 15 up here, I say we're back. I say we're back and probably new highs. Don't they pump the markets on Fridays? Isn't that how this works?
You can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road, but I'm not willing to give up my
Yeah, V bottom Friday, isn't that a thing?
You've been saying all the words, but I'm still circling in love.
You got kind of a V. You got the one half of the V. Kind of. You look on the tick chart, it can be a V bottom Friday. Yeah, boys. You know, I love to say it. I think we're back. There's a distinct possibility that we're back, boys.
You can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road. But I'm not willing to give up myself for you to take control. And you've been saying all the words, but I'm still circling in love. Oh.
Just pump this shit, man. Pump it. Okay, I'm taking one here. I know I said I'd leave it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to take one here. One off. The rest I'll leave. The rest. The one that I have left. And I'm putting the stop in profit. We're just shooting for new highs here. I believe we're back, boys. I'd like to think that we're back. It's a nice, that's a proper gain. Tested a nice area. It's a 4-hour hold on the ES, and it's a nice pump. It's a really bullish candle. And NQ is holding where they need to. They're closing above where they need to. So I'd like to think that we're back, man. Look at the 1 hour as well as the 4. I usually never look at the 1, but yeah, I can. Yes, one bang. Look at this weekly though. Looks like it's gonna dump, you know. Yeah, the 1 hour continuation, and then it's if it closes the 1 hour up here. When's the 1 hour close? In 2 minutes. Yeah, if they close the 1 hour up here, this really looks strong. If they close the 1 hour above that. So yeah, I think we're back. I'd like to believe that we're back. New highs. And then the 4 hour, this is just a continuation, right? It's just a 4 hour continuation, right? They closed this up here, this 4 hour. So, you know, even dumping to here is they still closed above, right? They closed above this. They closed above where they needed to. They even closed above this. So just barely, but still believe we're gonna see new highs. Yeah, everybody makes sense to everybody. Oh, you guys couldn't even see the fucking chart. God damn it. 1 hour. So the 1 hour they're closing above this. They're closing the 1 hour in 1 minute. So as long as in 1 minute they don't go below 43, or even if they close right at it, that's still good. And the 4 hour was just a continuation on the 4, right? It's just a continuation on the swing. This 4 hour closed above this, so. Yeah, they're closing right at where they need to close above, so. Looks like it's pretty good to me to have a pump like that and close above the level where you need. Yeah, they're closing above it. So I would think higher, man. Whoa, I got stopped in profit. Oh god, what a dump. I would think higher, and then it dumps like crazy. Can't believe they stopped me out, man. Fuck. At least we got one PT out of it. Minus 130 on the day. That's rough, man. Look at that dirty candle, man. Like, that's the dirtiest. All that was just to stop everybody. Worst. Really, can't believe. Look at this dirty candle, man. Just to stop me, you know? You fucks. Let me re-enter this. Too much now, man. Ugh, like, you know, that's frustrating, man. When they get played like that, it's the worst. I'm just gonna turn this off for today. Shit trading, man. Just bad luck. First my fucking monitor breaks, then this stupid wick. You know what I mean? For no reason at all, just to fucking wick everybody out and then just pump. Like, give me a break. You know? That's the worst. Really? Not cool. You know? Definitely not cool. Yeah, I think that's going to be the stream for today. We're just going to leave that. On the week, we're still profitable. Let's see. This week. Yesterday. Last 7 days? Sure. So on the week, we're up 350 bucks. You know, we were as high as 500, but had a down day today. You know, is what it is. I would like to have a better day. I had the right ideas, but I had the right ideas, but let me just put this back over here so you guys can see too. I'm not fucking around here, right? I don't want to fuck around with you guys. So up 350 on the week, 360, no, 350. I was as high as 500. You know, that's pretty good for a 50k account. It's fine. And honestly, like today I should have made money. I had this market pinned. I just, my execution was a bit shitty. And I got spooked out of that short. But for the most part, pretty good, man. Like I can't complain when I make money during the week. Like if I have a week and I make 500 bucks, that's fine, you know. But it's not a huge deal. You got to remember too, this is times 4 accounts, right? So really it's 2 grand this week. Pretty good. You know what I mean? So it's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Keep coming back, man. If you guys are having problems trading, I don't know how everybody's doing, but I hope everybody's doing well. I'm happy to try to explain anything I can, right, to any of you guys. So I know there's a couple new people around. If the older guys could help out the newer guys, that'd be great too. But you don't have to. The more important thing is just coming to the stream and keeping me company, man. Trading's fucking lonely, bro. All right, you guys enjoy the weekend. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys Monday. We'll still be kicking around here for another month before I start travel, so there's gonna be some travel in my life soon. So all right, guys, peace out.